Hello everyone, and I'm Box Dreamer. Yeah, I'm Box Dreamer. Everyone, I want to be content creator of Geometry Dash. Let's say Geodash. And I'm also a Filipino content creator in the Philippines. Yeah. I'm a Filipino content creator. What the fuck am I saying? Oh yeah. And I'm 13 years old. This video probably gets 0 likes or something like that. Should I speak Tagalog? Oh yeah, yeah. Sure. Okay, sige. Sasalita na tayo ng Tagalog, guys. I don't really want to speak English. I'm not speaking English very well. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm a black streamer. I'm 13 years old and I want to be success in life. And I want to have many followers. I don't know what this comes, but I'm gonna see after 10 years. Anong mangyari nga ba sa akin sa 10 years? Magiging famous ba ako or what? Tingnan natin guys, and in the next 10 years, gagawa ulit ako ng video ko na ganito. And yeah. You probably fuck. Nakita nyo na yung mukha ko. So, in my shorts. Nakita nyo short ko. Shorts ko. Na, yeah. Hindi ako nagpakita ng mukha kasi naiya ako. So, yeah. Everyone, subscribe and please smash the like button. Thank you. Bye.